I find it very the most sincere to their people than Ohaneze and Igbo. Northern Elders Forum are sincere to their people than Ohaneze and Igbo. And Igbo are betrayers. Bunch of jobless, hungry people, beggars, begging money from Fulani government of Nigeria. Okay, Chukwu Ishibuzolo, Secretary General of Ohaneze and Igbo. When Obidiozo died, he was now come to take over the president general. What did Okechukwu Ishibuzolo do to him? They fought because Okechukwu Ishibuzolo was a puppet. Was a staff in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. It's a staff, walking stick in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. Personally, to me, that Ohaneze and Igbo is supposed to be scribed. It's supposed to be scribed off. What are they Ohaneze? What they are Igbo? What useful are they to us? Which decision they're making for us? To kill nnamdikanu, to kill someone, to subdue biafra, not to exist. Eh? The biafra don't believe in one Nigeria. The Igbos don't believe in one Nigeria. They let them go to one Nigeria and choose their president. That's number one. Number two, not to be Amechi, that want to be Ohaneze president. When he was governor of River State, Minister of Transportation, what have you done to the Igbos? I'm not talking the Igbo in mainland, as they call them south, east. But Igbos in rivers, what have they done to them? What have you done to Ikwere?
That can listen to them, that they can talk to.
Not to me, Amechi put one electric pole in Ikwere, or dug one borehole in Ikwere. What did he do? No, what did he do when he was governor? When he was governor, that time he took River State money, $100,000 and give APC for campaign. Is it that money used? By merit, by action, by anything. Not to me, Amechi is not supposed to be there. Even if at all Ohaneze and Igbo is a genuine organization, it's a perfect organization. Not to me, Amechi is not supposed to be there. Because he has power to better at least rivers in general. Rivers in general. He didn't do anything. He wasn't able to unite Igbos that time. Is it now? They don't have power. They can be able to unite Igbos. They have fallen from politics. They have fallen from the corridor of power. Now he's looking for a place to click power. If Ohaneze and Igbo, he want to be relevant, that's all. Under a corrupt institute. Ohaneze and Igbo is a corrupt institute. Now, if Ohaneze and Igbo group or political party or whatever they call themselves, if they are genuine, they can choose anybody, but not from southeast, so-called south, not that place anymore. They have been there too long. Neither Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Delta, or even Bayelsa, let them choose person there. Ohaneze and Igbo doesn't mean you must speak Igbo language before you become Ohaneze and Igbo. Member of Ohaneze and Igbo. Doesn't mean that. Forget it about Ohaneze and Igbo. If it's a genuine place, it's supposed to be an umbrella covering social cultural group, covering the whole southeast. You understand? As far as their women tie two wrapper, one blouse, and the hair tire, all of them supposed to have one common umbrella of social cultural activities. But Ohaneze and Igbo is corrupt. The people from it are corrupt. The men Igbo that raise it up are corrupt. Eh? Therefore, cannot function. Whether not to me Amechi or not to me Amechi, let it be spread. And I pray that when the government is sit well, is functioning fully, it should be corrupt, scrapped off. as Igbo Union was scrapped off by Eurosi. That is Ariwa, not to get from not Igbo. Yoruba, I find it they don't know how they handle their own. They know how they handle their own. They are corrupt, that's why we don't want them. They don't want us to handle them. Ariwa is not corrupt. Ariwa is fighting for their people. Have you seen Ohaneze fighting for the Igbo man? Then bring him to kill. Bring him to kill. Give us money, kill our son. Give us money, kill our brother, kill our sister. They should uproot them totally. You don't need that body. You don't need body. What traditional rulers? Before Ironsi take over and before the civil war, we have what we call Eastern Region Traditional Rulers Forum, which compromise every tribe in the then Eastern region. Even the chairman of that Eastern region traditional ruler before the war started was an Ikore man. I forgot his name. He was an Ikore man. Nigerian University Student Union in Nsukka, the chairman of President General was this man, Asikata Kaboro. When he was a student in the Nigerian University, he was the president, Nigerian Student Association in Nsukka. That's how it's supposed to be. It doesn't mean that he must only be an Igbo man, although he later betrayed himself and paid for it. Eh? When somebody is married and they can perform well, put him there, no matter the tribe they come from. At first, it's sort of a corrupt person. But as for Ohaneze and Igbo, he should be scrapped. He should be scrapped, completely uprooted and cast into fire. Their documents should be burned. Their structure building should be pulled down because they are completely afraid. They are a disgrace to the entire Eastern region. They are disgrace to the entire Biafras. They are disgrace to themselves. They are disgrace to themselves. They should borrow a look to Arewa. They should borrow a look from I find better than them. Than them. I find the more sincere to their people than Ohaneze and Igbo. Local elders forum are sincere to their people than Ohaneze and Igbo. Ohaneze and Igbo are betrayers. Bunch of jobless, hungry people, beggars, begging money from Fulani government of Nigeria. Okay, Chukwu Ishibuzoro, Secretary General of Ohaneze and Igbo. When Obidiozo died, the one who came to take over the President General. What did Chukwu Ishibuzoro do to him? They fought because Chukwu Ishibuzoro was a puppet. Was a staff in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. It's a staff, walking stick in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. He fought the one that wanted him and the one that reached agreement to support Fulani government of Nigeria. Even when Obi was rigged out, what did both the one that Chukwu did? Did not say let us support tinubu? It's okay. Let us support tinubu. It's okay. Do they fight for P2B? Although P2B did not come out to claim what I just give to him. But do they make any comment in favor of P2B? The same Ohaneze and Igbo, okay, Chukwu Ishibuzoro, all of them. The same I beg, let us talk of the living, not of the dead. Let us talk of the living, not of the dead.
So you see, finally, that Rotimi doesn't have any claim. The president of Ohaneze and at the same time, the body should be scrapped.
There's no need of talking Rotimi or not Rotimi. Let the body be scrapped off. Let them be scrapped off. Let them be bound and make a law, pass a law. Anybody will hear Ohaneze in his part again will spend his life in imprisonment. Go life imprisonment. Don't kill him, but cast him into prison. Let the federal government pass that law. They have finished Biafrans. They have finished Igbos.
So you feel that they betrayed?
They are total betrayers. Judas is far better than them. We know that it's Judas.
Nigeria, the president or the alleged, aspirants go to different regions to solicit for support.
Okay.
So you feel that someone like Tinubu now is coming to the southeast, maybe from 2027. Who is he going to meet? As an organization,
excuse me, we have traditional rulers. If they want, let them form South, East traditional rulers forum, and we support that one.
Everybody say the same thing.
It's not the same thing. It's not the same thing.
It's like another one.
No, it's not an Ohaneze. This Ohaneze, how many of them are Atato holders? They're not traditional rulers. They don't come in the language of most of them. They come in the language of traditional rulers. They don't come there. Most of them are not Ojofo. You know what do you Igbos call Ojofo? They're not Ojofo. We have traditional rulers. We have Ojofo. They are not Ojofo. They are not traditional rulers. They are only hungry people looking a way to means to know what they will eat.
Point of correction, he did not witness war because there was no war in his place. Are you getting it? No, he did not face war. Did he carry gun? No, ask the clerk whether he carried gun. Did he carry gun? He was alive. He was there war in his place. Buhari have Oyewe in Niger Delta. Abu Salam have in Niger Delta. Sultan of Sokoto owns one. Did you have any mining company of your own in the north? Did you own any company or ten in the north? TINT that come from the north? Did you not own any company of gold that come from the north, Borno State? I remember humble self-evangelist Benjamin Johnson Nachi, the only biafran evangelist that speak the truth and nothing but the truth and ready to end by it. Now hear me and hear me clearly. Yeah, the IPOB are attacking him now because of his statement. And they know that Nigeria have already superheard this man by using money to buy him over. Remember what I said the last time, that this man was saying all what he said based on the income that Nigeria is giving to him monthly. Yes, and somebody say that he's an elderly man, elderly statesman, and moreover that he witnessed. Point of correction, he did not witness war because there was no war in his place. Are you getting it? No, he did not face war. Did he carry gun? No, ask the clerk whether he carried gun. Did he carry gun? He was alive. He was there war in his place. Yeah, I am the listen and listen good. I'm talking of Edwin Clark. Did he carry gun? Did he face bullets? Did he know the sound of when you talk of AK-47? Do you know what that means? When you hear the bullet, when you hear the sound of that gun, did he know the sound? Can he differentiate it? I get anyway. That's what I'm saying with the banger. Can he differentiate it? I'm talking from because my own dad is still alive and he witnessed the war. I don't know if you're getting it. He did not just witness the war by seeing it, he witnessed the war by carrying the gun to defend the territory. Yes, and my uncle died after the war. Jack, my mom, elder brother. So I am not speaking in the angle of ignorance, I'm speaking in the angle of the truth. I am speaking because this person did not witness, but he faced it. So Edin Clark, now the IPOB are now taking it. They should leave that man because he's old. I believe that age is disturbing him now. Age is disturbing his memory now. Age is what is worrying him now. So they should leave the old man because shock may take him before his time. So they should free him because he's just a person. It's not a person. He only airs his opinion. That doesn't mean that every other person will follow him or they are doing what they ask them to do. Anybody can say anything, and whatsoever you say, you will definitely have a support from somebody. Somebody must support what you say, but that doesn't mean that it is true or it is lie. That is his own opinion. But here it is. The pandemic is not older than Biafra, the Igbos. For your own information, I've said this thing before, and that is why I am referring to his age, old age, because that thing now is having a short of memory over some certain things that makes him to be making some kind of silly mistakes by saying that a job River State is older than Igbo. Who begat a job? Is it not than the Igbos who migrated, who moved in the Asian movement? And I know some people will say, how come they are not speaking Igbo? For your information, in the East, those people you even call Igbos have their different languages which they did not understand. Each other did not understand, and they still have one general language. Are you getting it? So it comprises of many languages and many people, but one tradition and one culture. That is why you go to Bendel or Benin, you will see them tying two wrappers. You see them wearing beads. You see them tying their hair. They use like a garden egg, all those chuku things. You understand? On their head. Why are they doing that? It's originated from where? The Igbos. Those days. Are you getting it? And if you watch them today in some part of the Benin side, you will see them. They will use wrapper today, cut off from here and tie to cover their breasts, and from here to cover their nakedness with beads. Are you getting it? Where does that originate from? It's from the East. You get it? So all this thing, go to Calabar, go to Akwa Ibom, go to Benue, go to Port Harcourt. You will see all these things. Where does it originate from? But the Nigerian government, the politicians have come up with this idea of politicism to cause division among the Southeast by calling them South to South, Bandefo, and this one. Are you getting it? They use. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So in all this, go and check the record, the foundation of this country called Nigeria. There are politicians who use politics to divide the South. So they use that to divide, to cause confusion, than to divide the Southeast. And this one will come and tell you, say, I be this one, I be South to South, I be South to East, I be South to West, I be waiting. Why is it that all these things are not going on in the North? Why is it that they are not doing all these things in the Southwest here, in the West here? Why are they not putting all these things to differentiate, to tell Ekiti man, you are and Ondo, you people are not brother. Then Lagosians and Ogun State, you people are not brother. Why are they not doing it here? But they focus on what? On the East. Busy using politics to divide the Easterners, causing division among the two brothers, among the families. Are you getting it? In order to continue oppressing, suppressing, subduing, and clapping on their rights. Are you getting it? Now listen again. I have said it before. When I finish, please do your findings. In Niger Delta, visit villages like Isioluku, Asaba, North. Visit all those Ejo. Visit that place where even the former president came from. Good luck, Jonathan. Number one, it is no motorable, no electricity, no good road, no water. They don't get good water. Their water has been polluted. Their road is only very narrow tracking. Are you getting it? And they are the one that own this oil. But when you go to the north, you will see express and you will see their road. Die from here. It will die from here reach Ghana. Are you getting it? Everywhere, sharp, pra. But in the villages of the people that own this oil, you manage, yes, you use bicycle. You cannot use motor and enter their place. I'm talking about even Goodluck Jonathan's place. Are you getting it? Most of those places, maybe as Jonathan was the former president, only his own, as in his own houses of house. But beside that, go to other places. It's not motorable. It's nothing to write home about. But because of this political division, which they have imposed and planted in the mind of the Easterners, that is why they don't have mouth to come out to say, these people, this thing you are doing here, you don't supposed to do it. Are you getting it? Or this thing you are taking away from us, you don't supposed to, because they have ridiculed and made them to see themselves as a small entity, distancing themselves from the people that will give them that eyes open, that eye look that will attract the people to do the right thing in their place. Are you getting it? You know, imagine we are not Biafra, we are not Igbo. Then Igbo people will now say, since you say you are not one of us, to hell with you. You know that kind of thing now. And when they say to hell with you, the normal development and the good thing that they're supposed to get as their right, who will stand for them to fight? Is it the clan that have collected money and is owned? Is it the one that will fight for them? Who will give them those good roads? Who will speak to give them good water? Who will give them the oh my God, let me tell you this. Them that are saying that they are not to Biafra, where is the marketplace in their village? Where did they go to buy things? They move from there down to Aba, and they will drop a weather ship or canoe, and it will be from here to like Ghana, because Cotonou is very close. The distance, or inside, let me say inside Lagos, I get it, why they are coming from power line. You get it now. So they will move the ship, come as far as inside Lagos to buy whatsoever they will buy that will last them for depend their financial, the person's financial ability. Some buy for 2 weeks, some buy for 1 month, some buy for 3 months. They will buy it once and load it inside that ship that will move them down to their locality. In the next 3 months, you see them again. In the next 2 weeks, 1 month, you see them again. Does it supposed to be so?
For Ekpa now to see that it's not Biafra that can never. So do you not think that, as an elder statesman, do you not think that it's making a mistake?
Of course, it's making a mistake because at his age, he still stands to deceive the younger ones. And this thing has been the problem of this country. Are you getting? Well, excuse me, my brother. Excuse me, my brother. You know, there is this spirit of self-centered spirit. Are you getting it? And Nigerian politics, Nigerian government is good at it. Are you getting it? You know, I read one book. My brother told me. He said the best way. He said this the satanic book, and looking at the sound of it, But when you read it, you will know that it is not actually that Satan the appointing. He's talking about how to control a man. Are you getting it? If you want a man to be under your control, the way to control that man. And in that book, it said, make sure, and that is what exactly Nigerian government is doing to the youth today. Make sure that man does not have access to money.
That's how they are operation Nigeria.
Are you getting it? Make sure you deny man access to money. Are you getting it? By the time you deprive a man access to money, then you are in position to give him money. Then he will dance to whatsoever instruction you give him. Because he need the money to sort out one or two things. For example, now, children need to go to school. Children are crying for biscuit. House rent is there. NEPA bill is there. Enrollment is there. Other things are there. Now listen to me. How do you meet up this? And the money is in my pocket. I will give you an assignment. When you do this, I will give you money to sort your needs. And when you look at it, you will succumb. You understand? Definitely, because the money is in my pocket, I'm the one that is in charge of the money, and you need that money. So you definitely do what I ask you to do in order to get the money from me and sort out your needs. You get it now? And if you watch now, that is exactly what APC government is doing to Nigerians. And that is exactly what they are doing to the Pandef, the people of Niger Delta. They select some people and give them that money. By the time you give them the money, they will be the one in possession of money. Then they will be telling others. Are you getting it? Over what come from their own land, commanding them, telling them, you need money now. If you do fasting, you get where you go rich, you go weak for fasting. Baba, you need to test something. And for you to test something, do you have money in your pocket? No. And for you to test something, you need to meet man that have money in his pocket. And the man that has money in his pocket will give you condition. And that condition, you definitely have to do it in order to put oil in your stomach. You get it? So this has been the problem.
So you believe that the clerk is the Nigerian government?
Of course, they are using him. It's an instrument. It's an instrument that they are using. It's their tools. It's their tools. And you know, many people like Yoruba, they respect elderly people much. So, and they have looked at it in the angle that if this man speaks, they will hear him, they will listen to him. This, that. Okay, Edin Clark, or ya come. And I asked a question before to Papa, because Edin Clark is a Papa. You understand? He's old enough to be, are you getting it, to be my father? Are you getting it? 90-something years is not a small thing. Are you getting it? Buhari have oil in Niger Delta. Abu Salam have in Niger Delta. Sultan of Sokoto owns one. Did you have any mining company of your own in the north? Did you own any company or ten in the north? TIN that come from the north? Did you not own any company of gold that come from the north, Borno State? Did you own anyone? But the northerners are owning oil well in your territory. Daddy, please now tell the people the truth. Please, sir, tell the people the truth. Daddy, I am begging you, stand up. I believe that the white hair in your head is enough for you to respect yourself. At least to come out now and speak nothing but the truth. After all, highest you spend now, you spend 100. My grandmother died at the age of 130, almost to 140. That's the highest you can even live. You will definitely die. But that is, listen to me, that is the highest you can go. You die. I remember one day you will live this life. What did you drop? Are you the type that will drop a message? Do you want to be the type that will drop a legacy that when people, the children hear of it, or they see that you cause them this pain, they will say to Fiakwa? It's not good now. Daddy, please tell the youth the truth.